Hi, in this lecture we talk to how we can to open several position in same direction and set their TP, their take profit and stop loss correctly. Okay, for that we use pyramiding. We should set a number more than one. Okay, for example 3. But as you see, stop loss and take profit is not correctly. As you see, entry price is different here from here and here, but all exit price is same, so it's not correct. Okay, because when we have here, when we have an entry here, a new entry will update our entry price. So because our stop loss and TP is based on percentage, and our entry price change, so we have a wrong TP and exit for all their open positions, open trades in same direction. So first we make an indicator, our example indicator. First define the take profit and stop loss input for percentage. Okay, this is. Then declare variables to store the high and low line values. We want to have two lines in every new day. So if our bar is higher than our line, okay, and previous is lower than, we have a buy signal. Okay, so we mark high and low is for sale, but I don't write it here because we don't need, we want to just understand. So buy is just, so one side is enough. So we mark in every day high of that candle, and if we have a candle close higher than that line and previous close lower than that line, we open a position. Okay, a long position. So we define a high line value and low line value to store the high and low line value, high of this candle and low of this candle, and high line and low line to draw lines. Okay, and a saving tree, I will explain. So we say if the change time, daily time frame, is not equal to 0, it means if a new day starts. So if new day starts, draw a new high and low line on the chart. So we draw a high line and low line, and we update our high line value with high of this candle, okay, this first candle of new day, and our low line value with low. Okay, so we did this, so we have this value. Okay, so we say, okay, so now if we are in day, it's not new day. Okay, so it means else. So if a bar state dot is confirmed, I wrote this because to avoid repeating. Okay, I wrote this to avoid repainting. So we say if kilos is higher than highline value and previous kilos is lower than highline value, okay, if kilos is higher than this highline value and previous kilos is lower than, okay, so open a buy position because we want to set take profit and a stop loss based on a percentage. We need our entry, okay, so we save our entry, okay, we set it as kilos. So our wrong way is we just write a strategy that exit from his buy, okay, and set a ID, and we say okay, save entry plus save entry multiply TP. If you don't know why I wrote this, please watch one of my video. I tag it in capture in video because you need to know how we can set TP and a stop loss based on percentage in Binance script, okay, and stop, okay. When we wrote this, as you see, there are some bug. We have several TP, several entry, but same exit, okay, so it's wrong. Here we have 3 TP with 3 different entry, but with 1 exit, with same exit, so it's wrong. How we can fix this problem? So let's write a new code for a strategy exit. We say first, if a strategy dot open trades is more than 0, so we have some open trade strategy, okay. If for I equal to 0 to until a strategy that open trades -1, okay, it give us last trade number, okay. For example, if we have 3 and trade, it give us it's refers to last trade, to third trade, okay, and this is refers to first trade. If we have just 1 trade, no problem, okay, because for I equals 0 to 0, okay, so just we have 1 loop in for, just we execute code 1 time here in for, so no problem. That's why. But if we have not any strategy that open trade, then we have problem. That's why I write this code to ensure we have open position, okay. And okay, and here we say strategy dot exit close by from entry buy and limits, okay. Let's arrange take profit. Here we declare a new entry. How we can get entry? We don't need this entry, we don't want this entry. We can get entry by this function, strategy dot open trade dot entry price, okay. I is give us number of trade, okay, here I. So if for example we have 3 trade, it give us our first trade entry price, then give our second trade entry price, okay, then add 10, okay. So I use I, okay. and here I write this, I copy this, just we change save entry with entry, save entry with entry. Let's save it. Okay, so problem, we need a new parenthesis, another parenthesis. Okay, as you see, still we have this problem because we should add a, because we have same entry ID for 3 open trades. This is our problem, our next problem, because we have same entry ID for 3 open position. So how we can fix this issue? We come here, declare a variable counter equal to 0. Here we add 1 to our counter, we update it. Okay, so we have a unique number every time, okay, because we add 1 to it. So we write here str.toString counter. So every time we have a unique entry name, but entry ID, but how we can get it? Because okay, because for example we have 3 open position, so our counter changed, and we cannot write like this. It don't give us correct. So what we can do, we write here, we define here another thing, entry ID strategy dot open trades dot entry ID I. Okay, and here we write entry ID. Okay, so here with this function we got entry ID, so we save it, and as you see, our problem fixed. For every trade we have a separate close by, we have a separate and unique exit. Okay, so our problem fixed. So you understand how to open several positions same direction and how to set their TP and SL correctly. Have a good day.